Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the heart of every home, the kitchen. If you're looking to maximize your space while keeping your dishes organized and stylish, you're in the right place.
In this video, we'll be showcasing the top 5 kitchen dish dining racks that combine functionality with aesthetic appeal. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or just someone who enjoys a tidy kitchen, these racks will elevate your dining experience. So, let's get started and discover which dish racks made our top 5 list and why they could be the perfect addition to your kitchen. B-Land Dish Drying Rack. 2-tier dish racks for kitchen counter. Optimize your kitchen space with the B-Land 2-tier dish drying rack, designed to hold plates, bowls, cups, and utensils with ease. Its sturdy, rust-resistant frame and sleek design make it both practical and stylish. With the removable drip tray, it keeps countertops dry and clean. Perfect for any kitchen setup. Keatsare Large Dish Drying Rack. Extendable, multifunctional. The Keatsare Large Dish Drying Rack is the ultimate space saver for your kitchen counter. Its extendable design adapts to fit any space, while holding everything from plates to pots. With resistant durability and a smart drainage system, it keeps your countertop clean and clutter-free. Perfect for any busy kitchen. The B-Land 2-tier dish drying rack transforms your kitchen with ample storage and a sleek design. Its sturdy, rust-proof frame easily holds plates, bowls, and utensils, saving counter space and ensuring quick drying. With an innovative drainage system, your countertop stays clean and water-free. This rack is the ultimate organizer for a clutter-free kitchen. Dish Drying Rack with Silicone Dish Drying Mat. Keep your kitchen tidy and efficient with this dish drying rack and silicone mat combo. The sturdy rack holds dishes, glassware, and utensils securely, while the silicone mat ensures quick drying without countertop mess. Easy to clean and durable, it's a stylish, practical addition to any kitchen setup. Save space and organize your kitchen effortlessly with this expandable dish drying rack. Its adjustable design expands to fit any counter, accommodating plates, bowls, and utensils with ease. The rust-resistant material ensures durability, while the self-draining tray keeps countertops dry. Perfect for any kitchen, big or small.